Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best window cloth is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools in your arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of microfiber window cloths, exploring why they're a game changer for streak-free shine. We'll cover everything from the science behind their cleaning power to the best ways to use them, ensuring your windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces sparkle like never before. Get ready to say goodbye to streaks and hello to crystal clear views. Number 5. Chemical Guys Gold Microfiber Towels, 12-pack. These ultra-soft towels from Chemical Guys are designed for professional results. They safely remove wax and detail sprays, leaving surfaces spotless and swirl-free. The gentle microfiber construction is safe for all surfaces. You can use it on clear coat, chrome, glass, plastic, and interior surfaces without worry. These towels feature high-pile fibers that are incredibly absorbent. It efficiently soaks up water and cleaners, reducing the number of passes needed. They are machine washable for long-lasting performance. These towels can withstand hundreds of washes without losing their softness or absorbency. This pack includes 12 16 by 16-inch car wash towels. You'll have plenty for paint correction, interior cleaning, and glass care. These towels are ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. You can also use them around the house on windows, electronics, and furniture. What we like? This towel's ultra-absorbent design is a game changer. It efficiently soaks up water and cleaners, leaving surfaces spotless. If you're looking for a reliable towel for car detailing, this is a great choice. What people say? These are excellent premium, thick microfiber cloths. The silk edges are really nice and safe. The towels have two distinct sides, one where the piles are much taller, and the other with low piles. Number 4. Chemical Guys Gold Microfiber Towels, 3-pack. These ultra-soft towels from Chemical Guys are designed to safely remove wax and detail sprays. They are perfect for achieving a streak-free and swirl-free finish on your vehicle. The gentle microfiber construction is safe for all surfaces. You can use it on clear coat, chrome, glass, plastic, and interior surfaces without worry. It won't scratch or leave any lint behind. These cleaning cloths feature high-pile fibers that are highly absorbent. They efficiently soak up water, detail sprays, and cleaners. This reduces the number of passes needed, leaving surfaces spotless. These microfiber car towels are machine washable for long-lasting performance. They can withstand hundreds of washes without losing their softness or absorbency. This makes them an essential part of any car wash kit. This pack includes 3 16 by 16 car wash towels. You'll have plenty for paint correction, interior cleaning, glass care, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your detailing needs. These Chemical Guys microfiber towels are ideal for various uses. They are perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and even household cleaning. Use them on windows, electronics, and furniture. What we like? With its durable and reusable design, this towel is built to last. It can withstand hundreds of washes without losing its softness. If you want a long-lasting and cost-effective solution, you should consider this. What people say? The cloth is very absorbent and does a great job of cleaning windows. Leaves windows streak-free. Works great on mirrors and stainless steel appliances. Number 3. Chemical Guys Workhorse Microfiber Towels, 3-pack. Introducing the Chemical Guys Workhorse Microfiber Towels. They are premium 16 by 16-inch cloths designed for washing, drying, and detailing cars. It provides scratch-free results on paint, glass, chrome, and interior surfaces. Made with a plush, high-quality microfiber blend, it gently lifts dirt and debris. These towels are safe for delicate finishes and sensitive detailing tasks. These towels feature strong stitched edges that resist fraying. They hold up through repeated washes, delivering long-lasting performance for both professionals and enthusiasts. Perfect for car drying, automotive detailing, cleaning the house, or pet drying. The towels handle water, polish, wax, and cleaning sprays with ease, making them an all-in-one solution. High-pile fibers absorb water and quick detail sprays quickly and effectively. This reduces streaks and spots while ensuring faster drying and buffing with minimal effort. This pack includes 3 professional-grade chemical guys towels in black, sized at 16 by 16 inches. They are ideal for assigning different tasks such as interior cleaning, drying, or polishing. What we like. This towel offers multi-purpose use, perfect for car detailing, home cleaning, or even pet drying. It handles various tasks with ease. If you like an all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs, it is a great choice. What people say. The cloths are very absorbent and do a great job of cleaning windows. They leave no streaks and are easy to use. These cloths are a great size and work well on windows, mirrors, and stainless steel. Number 2. eCloth Window Cleaning Kit, Streak-Free Clean. This kit is designed to make cleaning windows and mirrors easier than ever. It uses advanced microfiber technology to achieve a streak-free clean, every time. The microscopic fibers in the window cloth grab dirt and grime effectively. The glass and polishing cloth then ensures a perfect, streak-free finish. Forget disposable sprays and paper towels. This kit is reusable and built to last, saving you money and reducing waste. Simply wash the cloths and reuse them. This kit is perfect for cleaning various surfaces. It can be used on cars, mirrors, glasses, lenses, and even TV screens. Its generous size makes it easy to handle large areas. The 2-step cleaning process removes 99% of grease and grime. You'll get spotless, streak-free results every time you use it. All you need is water to get started. Dampen the window cloth and wipe the surface. Then, use the dry glass and polishing cloth for a perfect finish. What we like. This cloth cleans with just water, eliminating the need for disposable sprays. It's a sustainable and effective solution. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and convenient cleaning option, you should consider it. What people say. The kit consists of 2 specially designed microfiber cloths. The first cloth is used to apply water to the window or mirror surface, while the second cloth is used to wipe off the water. The unique microfiber technology traps dirt and grime, leaving streak-free surfaces with just water. Upon arrival, I tried this set on my living room French doors and was absolutely delighted with results. Used only water, wrung out cloth well and washed as demonstrated in company's video. Wonderfully effective, so easy to use. Little kids' fingerprints vanished using only water. Using eCloths is a game changer. You simply dampen the window cleaning cloth and wipe the dirty window and then wipe the same area with the polished cloth. It makes your windows incredibly clean, shiny, and streak-free. Number 1. MagicFiber Extra Large Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. This is the MagicFiber cleaning cloth. It's designed to gently remove dust, oil, and smudges from delicate surfaces. It leaves no scratches or streaks. Made from high-quality, soft microfiber, it's perfect for cleaning TV screens, windows, and more. The material absorbs and removes dirt effectively. It's safe and effective on various surfaces. Each cloth comes in its own poly bag to keep it clean and ready to use. It stores flat, making it easy to carry in a tablet case or bag. This makes it convenient for on-the-go cleaning. Use it on LCD screens, smartphones, camera lenses, and more. This cloth is safe for all delicate surfaces. It ensures your devices stay clean and scratch-free. The pack includes 3 oversized 16-inch by 16-inch cloths, perfect for larger surfaces. It also includes a smaller 6-inch by 7-inch cloth. This makes it a great gift for anyone with electronics. What we like. This cloth comes in a larger size, making it perfect for cleaning larger surfaces. It's ideal for screens and devices. If you have large windows or screens to clean, this is the perfect option. What people say. The cloths are very absorbent and do a great job of cleaning windows. They leave no streaks and are easy to use. These cloths are a game changer for cleaning windows. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.